once you have created a requirements list, you may find that you have to complete certain tasks, one of which is likely to create label files. Okay, and to make that process a little bit easier, we have prepared a set of ready-made label templates. And these label templates are based on various legislation. Now, in the case that I am selling a product requiring CE marking, I may use one of these two label templates. If it's a consumer product under the GPSR, I may use one of these two label templates. And if I want to create something from scratch, we also have these standard label templates down here. Now, let's say I'm selling a Bluetooth speaker. I will go with the CE marking label template. You can see right here. So you can upload compliance marks. You can drag and drop. You can download them from here and then insert into the label template. The specific information that must be entered, of course, depends on the template and depends on the legislation that the template is based on. But it could, for example, be to insert information where we have placeholders about, say, the product, batch number, manufacturer, and so on. Again, it depends on the specific template. Now you can find the basis for this information right here. Now you can see the specific legislation that the template is based on. Everything is grounded in legislation. We don't make anything up here. You can see the source. Again, the specific legislation and the specific parts of this legislation that this label is based on. So it's complete transparency in that sense. You can see the version that it's based on. And you also have to read the instructions about how to use the template. It's very important that you understand the context, and in some cases you need to make adjustments to the information in the template, because there's certain conditionality related to placements or the way that you insert, say, instructions and so on and so forth. So it's very important that you check out this template to understand what it's based on, and also how to use the template, that you read these instructions. Now, what should you do with this? Well, depending on the placement requirements, you download a file and it can be affixed to the product, the packaging, or documentation that comes with the product. The specifics depends on what's required in the legislation that applies to your product. But in short, it's not a shortcut, but it does simplify the process quite a bit when you can use these ready-made label templates.